Hi, I'm Jason from CTC Communication. Today I will show you how to add an HCT 4UL remote to a Bosch 3000 alarm system. The first step is to enabling the wireless receiver, which is B810 or B812. The latest version is B812. First, enter the installer pin and go to the system menu. In the system menu, navigate to RF device menu and select the radio receiver and come back and save the parameters. Now we need to enter the key fob settings, which is the remote. So for that, menu, again system, this is the key fob RFID, which key fob you need to select, and you can type in, punch in the number on the menu. And make sure to save the parameters. And now the remote is added and you can test the system by arming and disarming. This is the arming key and this is the disarming key. Thank you.